How to get rid of cockroaches permanently. Very easy. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Cockroaches are one of the most hated creatures, found almost everywhere on Earth thanks to their extremely high adaptability. They carry pathogens and viruses and are often associated with poor hygiene in homes, workplaces, or wherever they live. Although there are thousands of ways to get rid of cockroaches, they are actually very difficult to eliminate thanks to their sophisticated sensory organs, which help them detect moisture, temperature, sound waves, and chemicals invisible to the naked eye. That's why there's a legend. Nothing is harder to kill than cockroaches. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you an incredibly powerful trick to permanently eliminate cockroaches, keeping your house clean, especially in the kitchen, where cockroaches often appear. Everyone will be grateful for this trick after watching. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. We'll use regular Coca-Cola, the kind that's readily available everywhere. In addition, we also need red onions. It must be red onions, common and familiar to many people. White sugar, to attract cockroaches into the trap. Flour, a key ingredient that cockroaches love, especially in bakeries. And finally, baking soda, which is also readily available at pharmacies or supermarkets. Once everything is ready, we begin. Take the red onion and slice it thinly, like you would for a salad, about 6 slices in this case. Next, take a bowl and a spoon and stir. I used a stainless steel spoon. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons of flour, depending on the number of onion slices. Next, add the sugar along with the same amount of flour, which is 6 tablespoons. Next, add baking soda, 1 teaspoon for every 3 slices of onion. We have 6 slices of onion, so we should use 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This is the key to killing cockroaches and keeping them away from your food. Do not exceed the dosage, otherwise the trap will not be effective. Mix all ingredients thoroughly to create a homogeneous mixture. When finished, you will see that many cockroaches will be killed immediately. Next, open a Coca-Cola and pour just a little into the bowl, not enough to make the mixture too diluted. Pour and stir continuously until the mixture is a smooth, homogeneous paste. This is an effective, inexpensive method that protects almost every nook and cranny in the house. Once finished, use a plate. Place each onion slice on it, then pour the mixture over each slice. This recipe makes 6 slices, enough for a week. Advantages: after 1 week, there's no need to repeat the process because the mixture's scent lingers in the air and cockroaches are no longer attracted to it. The effect lasts for about 1 month. Finally, place the mixture in the corners of the house where cockroaches usually appear, but not against the walls, about 2 centimeters away. If you have pets, place it under heavy furniture where cockroaches often pass through, but where dogs and cats cannot reach it. especially under the refrigerator and stove, where cockroaches congregate the most, nest, and lay eggs. Slice 6 onions and place them throughout the house. The mixture's scent will spread, protecting the entire house from cockroaches for over a month. After a maximum of 1 week, remove the mixture, but the effect will last. Now, let's get started so we can learn quickly, easily, and effectively. First, you need to know that candles are made from paraffin, a petroleum hydrocarbon, which is highly polluting and extremely irritating to these insects. However, putting candles aside for now, we'll first need a small bowl or plate to make this special mixture. I've tried it in person before, but now I want to make it quick and easy in a short video so everyone can benefit. After preparing the bowl, we'll take one of the cockroaches' favorite foods, white sugar. This will be the first bait for the cockroaches. Take a spoonful of sugar and place it in the bowl. There's nothing special about it, but sugar is so attractive to cockroaches that they can't resist. To increase effectiveness, we will combine it with lemon peel, something almost every household has. Instead of using lemon juice, use a grater, preferably one with small holes, to grate only the peel, where the strong lemon aroma is concentrated. Use about half a teaspoon of lemon peel compared to the amount of sugar you're using. While grating, the lemon scent will spread throughout the space, which cockroaches simply can't resist. You might be wondering, so when should we use candles? Don't rush, this part will be extremely interesting and well worth a try. First, add water, regular tap water, in an amount equal to the amount of sugar, which is 1 teaspoon. Gently mix the sugar and lemon zest together until the sugar dissolves, creating a liquid mixture. This trap is so effective that after just 1 night, you'll find no more cockroaches. The extremely attractive scent draws cockroaches out of their holes and straight into our trap. When the mixture has dissolved evenly, it will be slightly green and sweet, which is the necessary sign. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. It could be apple cider vinegar, fruit vinegar, or regular vinegar. Remember to measure carefully. Mix well. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, add baking soda in the same amount as the sugar, about 1 teaspoon. Baking soda is extremely strong and helps the mixture achieve optimal consistency and effectiveness. Mix well. And this is where the candle comes in. The candle is a crucial part of this mixture. No cutting or grating is needed, just use it as usual. Take a piece of toilet paper, fold it, and use it to absorb the mixture from the bottom, making sure it's dry. Next, burn the bottom of the candle slightly so that you can place it in the center of the bowl of mixture. Once the candle is attached, light it. And there you have it, an extremely effective cockroach trap. The candle creates heat around the mixture, intensifying the scent and drawing cockroaches straight into the trap from all their hiding places. It sounds strange, but try it, and you'll see amazing results. When the cockroaches eat the mixture, the baking soda causes a reaction in their bodies, specifically producing gas they can't expel, leading to their complete death. That's the method I wanted to share with you. Hopefully, try it and leave a comment sharing your results. The next method is also very simple and highly effective, and it's the one I used. That's it. I hope this tip was helpful to you. If possible, please share this video. Do you have any other methods? Please share them in the comments. I'd love to learn from you too. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more great tips. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.